guys, so welcome back to my channel and another vlog. So today I'm going to be going to my mom's house. I'm cleaning up her house. She's having like a parade of houses for like the holidays. If you know me, you know my mom is obsessed with Christmas, obsessed with all that stuff. And I'm just going to be a helpful daughter and go help her clean her house and do a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna be vlogging me like doing all of that stuff while I'm over there, but I also have to go to the store to get some cleaning supplies. I was over there this week and I brought some cleaning supplies over there, so I have some of my stuff over there already. I just have to go get some like extra stuff, you know. One thing about me, you guys, is that I'm obsessed with cleaning stuff. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with buying cleaning supplies. That's something that I always have to get when I go to the store, like whether it be wipes, whether it be a spray, whether it be Fabuloso, like I have to. So I'm going to the store. I have some stuff from my house. I brought some Fabuloso and some scrubbing bubbles, and yeah, I'm gonna go to my mom's house. Right now I have to make sure the house is shut down. I'm probably gonna go to Dollar General if anything, and then I'm just going to, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Dollar General. Like yesterday, I went to Family Dollar. Y'all, I went to Family Dollar and I bought some wax candles. So I love smell good stuff. Some Febreze wax candles. My house smells so good right now. I love wax candles. They last longer and they run pretty much the whole day. If you don't have wax candles or like the wax melter things, Walmart sells them for like $2. There's like the little glass thing that you put the wax on. You can buy that for $2, and then the little melts are literally 84 cents. But I bought the Febreze Gain Scent wax melts for $2 from Family Dollar yesterday, and I put them in my bathroom because my bathroom is the guest bathroom and it's closest to the front door, and so it smells the whole house. And I was making my food before I left, before I, you know, got ready to leave. Y'all, it smells so good, and it hadn't even been on for a whole hour yet. So I'm going to turn this off. I want to keep it running, but I mean, it's electric, it's not a fire. I'm gonna keep it off. I'll just turn it back on when I come back home. But yeah, and then I have to go check on Papa, make sure Papa's okay. Papa, I can't show you guys the dog because it's not my room, but Papa, my friend has an American Eskimo. I just like to make sure that he's okay and that he's breathing. He's a baby still, so I like to make sure he's all right. Hey, Papa. Hey, his name is Alfonso. He is, I think, 8 months now, 9 months. And he is a little terror, but he's a sweet dog. Like, he likes to be loved on. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my mom's house now. Well, I'm gonna go to the store first and then go to my mom's house, and then I'll see you guys in the store. Okay, so yeah, I'm at Dollar General. I don't really vlog in public, so I'm a little nervous, to be honest. I don't really turn my camera on, but they don't have nothing really. I need to go to the dollar wall. Yeah, there's not much for me to pick up in the cleaning aisle, but I like to look. Here's the dollar wall. They usually have a lot of stuff, so I can get like deals on stuff. So like Fabuloso, Don, sometimes they put it on this wall. There's a lot of stuff that they put on this wall that you can use for cleaning stuff. So another thing, toilet bowl cleaner is really good for getting like stuff out the like tub. So I usually pick up one of those, but I have one in my car, so I don't need to get any of those. I do need to get some microfiber towels. I told my mom I was gonna get her some. So those are really good for dishes too. Like those people usually use them. This is the car section. If you get it out the car section, they last longer and they clean really well. But I think the only thing that I'm gonna get from the cleaning aisle is probably some Pine Sol. Even though I have Fabuloso, I like the smell of Pine Sol. And I got the microfiber towels. I don't think I need to get anything else. But I do have like name brand stuff on sale on their clearance wall, on their dollar wall. This is really, really good for college students too, if you guys are on a budget. Like you can get Lysol cleaning stuff. This is $3. I might get this. These smell really good too. Like what? Like all this stuff. Look at this. This right here is like $10. And it says 10 cents. I'm gonna check. If that's 10 cents, I'm taking it home with me. But let's go back to the other cleaning wall or cleaning section, because I might have overlooked some stuff. And we're just gonna see what they got. I usually bargain shop when I go into stores like this, because you get a lot of great stuff for super cheap. And sometimes the cheap stuff works way better than the name brand stuff. The name brand stuff is just household names, like people know. So like for example, the Mr. Clean magic eraser, these work just as well because I got this in a basket for Christmas. And girl, let me tell you, these clean way better and they're more durable than these. So listen to your friend Takisa and get you the off-brand ones, because they work just as well, if not better, and you save yourself some coins. I don't really see anything else that I can use, but I might get some super erasers just because I don't know if my mom has any of them, and I'm cleaning a lot of stuff. So well, I picked up one of these. These are nice. I don't think I need anything else. My mom has the scrub daddies. These right here, the scrub daddies, are super cheap and they work really good. So if you guys need like a sponge that's gonna last for a really long time and is easy to clean, I suggest getting one of those, because they work really well. My mom got me one when I first moved, but yeah, they get thrown out and I'm not gonna buy any more. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's go look at the other cleaning areas. I hate wearing masks. I'm so hot. They don't have any other stuff. That's closed. I think they only have 2 cleaning aisles, which is okay. And I looked in the dollar section already. This really isn't a big Dollar General. This is on my way to my mom's house, and she lives in the country, so the stores are a bit smaller. Oh look y'all, so the essential oils one, like these little things are $3.95. So that big thing's on sale for 10 cents. It's going home with me. So I'm trying to see where it's at on the shelves and I don't see it. So, but yeah. I need to get out of the laundry section. I love laundry stuff. If you smell my house, everybody always tells me I smell like laundry detergent. I'm out of breath. This thing is heavy. I don't think I need anything else. But I am in the dollar section for like home stuff because it's Thanksgiving and I want to do a Friendsgiving. So yeah. I always look in this section to see if there's something that I can use. And there isn't right now. And I don't know what Jalen's gonna buy anytime soon. So I'm just gonna leave it. We do need some freezer bags though. But I'll get that another day. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go check out and then I'll see you guys when I get to my mom's house. Okay, y'all, so I'm at my mom's house. Say hey.
My hair ain't done. I don't get on camera.
Do you hear this foolishness?
Piece of stop. I need this man to hurry up, Lord. I got a call in 8 minutes.
Anyways, so it's very dark in here, but I'm about to start cleaning up. I don't know where I'm gonna start. I told I was gonna do the kitchen and the bathrooms, and yeah, so I'm gonna clean up. I didn't show you guys the before, but I organized this cabinet and it was a hot ass mess. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna clean the seasoning cabinet and I'm gonna wipe down the actual cupboard and make sure it's all clean. Sorry guys, I forgot to close out the video, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.